Hey everybody, Leann Forst here, and I'm going to tell you all the reasons why I love doTERRA's lavender essential oil. So lavender is one of those oils that's super popular. It's probably the most well-known oil of all the essential oils, and it's really a good oil for calming the mind and the body. And so for that reason, a lot of people like to use it to get a sounder night's sleep. So you can use this oil all three ways. You can diffuse it and use it aromatically for aromatherapy. We know that when essential oils are diffused and you inhale them, they go up through the nasal cavity to hit the olfactory bulb in the brain and the limbic system to affect mood and behavior and emotions. And so lavender is very calming to the emotions. And so for that reason, a lot of people like to use it to calm anxious feelings. But for sleep, you can diffuse it next to your bed. You can put a drop on your pillowcase. I like to use it in a roller bottle for easy application on the bottom of my feet because if you remember, according to the laws of reflexology, when you put essential oils on the bottom of your feet, they travel to every cell in your body through nerve lines and blood vessels within 20 minutes. What you may not know about lavender essential oil is that it's my go-to for everything skin health related. So it does have anti-aging properties. And so therefore, I like to put a couple drops in my moisturizer. I put the moisturizer in my hand, a couple drops of lavender before I put it on. Or any kind of skin irritations like itchiness, rashes, bug bites, stings, even sunburn. Lavender is very calming to the skin as well. So just some of my favorite ways to use lavender essential oil. But just know that when you're using it for a natural sleep aid, you're diffusing it or put it on topically, don't forget you could also take it internally. I always like to have these little veggie capsules on hand that you just open up, put a couple drops in, and it becomes your natural sleep aid without side effects or addictions. So there's some of my favorite ways to use lavender essential oil. What are some of your favorite ways? Comment below.